have the best digital marketing and industrial training company in Punjab. And the award goes to Think Next Technologies Private Limited. Think Next Technologies Private Limited.
Director and Mrs. Neela Mittal. Congratulations.
Have appreciation to the best web development and industrial training company in Punjab, and the award goes to Think Next Technologies Private Limited. Next Technologies Private Limited is an ISO 9001-2008 company, a Google certified software and electronic systems development company, which is approved from the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and it deals with the web development, web designing, mobile apps, digital marketing, industrial training and placement.
Web development and industrial training company goes to Think Next Technologies Private Limited. Munish Mittal, Director, Ms. Neela Mittal, to please come and receive this award. Think Next Technologies.
I am Ritika Rawat.
I am Vishal.
I am Prince.
I am Gurjinder Kaur.
I am Parvinder Singh.
I am Neha.
I am Sanjana. I am Sohaila Ghalami. I am from Afghanistan. Digital marketing.
Digital marketing course.
Digital marketing. Digital marketing.
Digital marketing course.
Think Next.
Think Next.
Think Next.
Think Next.
Think Next Institute of Digital Marketing.
100% job placement.
Google certified.
Learn digital marketing from national award-winning company.
Get certification from Google.
My training experience is awesome.
If you want a bright future, choose Think Next Institute of Digital Marketing.
Think Next Institute of Digital Marketing.